Go. Hi everyone, this is Happiness, and I'm here to demonstrate on how I used JavaScript, third-party APIs, JSON, CSS, and events local storage on my app. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, to my affirmations. Okay. Thus, the code has affirmations that are saved as um, okay, kind of JSON, okay, and also the Bible API, and okay, next we have goals. On my goals, okay, I used actually most of my pages they use JavaScript. Okay, so this is the function to render goals, and this is the function that receives goals or takes goals, and this is the one that the function which where is okay gets the list, and it renders goals and get the list, and okay the event listener, the submit button for this is how I use the event listener, and this is the journal entries. Okay, on the journal entries I used also the speech to text. Okay, and okay, so yeah, most of my pages I used JavaScript. And for here we get okay the JSON to phrase it as in put it in the local storage as the JSON. And when it renders also as JSON in the app. Okay. And every information it fetches, it saves it to the local storage. Okay. This is not just for this only. This is only the event. Also the event listeners. Okay, the listener. For my CSS, this is the code, but I am going to show it demonstrating it on the app. Okay, let's just go to the app since I've shown most the JavaScript, the JSON, the local storage, and the event listener. Okay, so let's check it out on the app. Okay, so this is my application and it is live. Okay, so this is the home page. The home page we have the button that shows this section, okay, which is written as JavaScript, okay, in the JavaScript. Okay, and I used CSS for my colors. I was very careful picking these colors, only 3 colors, and also yeah, white and black for visibility. And in the about section we have okay, it's just CSS and HTML, and yes, and HTML basically. And okay, in the goal section, okay, it's the JavaScript. This code is in the JavaScript that makes me write, and then the one that helps me choose the category, it's in the JavaScript, and the one that shows the calendar, it's also the JavaScript. And everything that I type here will be saved as JSON in the local storage. Okay, and then this add goal is the event listener. It takes every okay, and also the modular. I used also the modular to tell the user that they are not finished. They should like finish first typing everything that is necessary. Okay, next we have the okay, we're in the gold. We have journaling. Okay, in our journaling we have the Bible API. The Bible API fetch the verse, fetch the verse. Okay, we have a verse that is a default here, and then when I type a verse, it's like to add the verse, it's gonna bring a new verse from the Bible API. Okay, and then when I type, um, here it saves the event listener, the journaling, and okay, every entry that I type here, it gets rendered here whenever I have finished typing it. Okay, and then that is the event listener and the local storage. Okay, here also there's a JavaScript. Okay, it helps me take every information that I type here, and then I save the schedule whenever I schedule, and then it renders the information here, and every task, every schedule becoming, and it gets rendered here. And this is also the calendar. Okay, the calendar which is written in the JavaScript. Okay, the scheduler. And this is the last but not least, last and the least, the progress. There is a code for fetching every entry and counting it and put it here, and then the progress of every entry, like most recent one, and the affirmation, every affirmation. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I'm gonna go back there. Okay, go back there. And then the calendar, we have the calendar, and which is used by JavaScript. Okay, for the CSS, again, um even some images, okay, when the images, they like kind of get close, okay, like the hover effect is also a CSS, and okay, the images go like pop out a bit out when I hover over them, so that is also CSS. I guess that is just basically it. Okay, and back to the home page. Okay. Oh, I can also move around my affirmations. Okay, like make it have new affirmations for the day or for the time. That yeah, I guess that's just basically it. Thank you and have a lovely time.